Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? We have covered total three chapters. In each chapter, we have covered around 200 plus bits. What are the three chapters we have covered? We have covered metallurgy chapter, electric current chapter, and electromagnetism chapter. Okay. Now today I am with another chapter called as carbon and its compound because one person in the comment section has messaged me, sir, please tell me carbon and its compound chapter bits. So that is the reason today I am with the carbon and its compound chapter. In this chapter also we'll be covering more than 200 plus bits. Okay, let's see directly to the first question. What is the first question given there? The which of the following solution of acetic acid in water can be used as a preservative? We know that 5 to 8%, 5 to 8 percentage of acetic acid in water is called as what? Is called as our vinegar. Okay, 5 to 8 percentage of acetic acid in water is called as vinegar, which is used as a preservative of pickles. So what is our answer? 5 to 8, 8 is not the 5 to 10 is just option number A is our answer. Acetic acid, when dissolved in water, it dissociates into ions, reversible, because we already know that acetic acid is what? Acetic acid is a weak acid. So that is, since it is a weak acid, it dissociates into ions and reversible. So option number A. Okay. When acetic acid reacts with ethanol, okay, we add concentrated H2SO4. It acts as dash and the process is called as. Okay. Acetic acid, when we add with ethanol, ethanol, ethanol or ethyl alcohol, both are same. Ethanol, what we have, okay, ethyl alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. So what you will get here, you will get ester. Ester. What is the another name for ester? Ester, another name is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. Okay, now ester is nothing. So since ester is formed, this process is called as our what? Esterification. Now, what is concentration of H2SO4 will act as? Concentrated H2SO4 will act as a reducing agent, and the process is called as esterification. So answer is our option number C. Okay, let's see the fourth question. Fourth question: the IUPAC name of CH3, CCl, CHCl, CHCl, and CH3. So first we have to give the numbering. We should give numbering from left to right or right to left. We can give numbering from right to left or left to right. It's up to us how we are giving based on the substance functional group and the saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. So here, if I give from left to right or right to left, both will be same because substances are present at the center. So I'll give it from right to left, 3, 4. Okay. Now, on what is the steps we have to follow? First, we have to say any substance are there. Yes, substance are there. On which carbon it is present? On second and the third carbon, substance are present. So 2, comma 3. What is the name of substance? Chlorine. But here both are same type of substance. We'll write di. And what will write? Chloro. After that, we should give the name of the word root. What is the word root here? Methane, ethane, propane, butane. So but. After that, we have to see any unsaturated and unsaturated carbon compounds are present or not. We have to see there is no double bond and triple bond. So that is we simply write it as an hyphen. Then last, we have to see any functional group is there or not. If functional group is not there, we just simply write it as E. So 2, 3 dichlorobutane. So what is that answer? Option number D is our answer. Number of carbon bonds in CH4. CH4. Okay. So how many carbon bonds? 4. Option number 4. C. Which of the following hydrocarbon can show isomerism? So what is the isomerism? Isomerism is nothing but the compound which has same molecular formula but different properties. Now there are different compounds that shows isomerism, but in the 10th syllabus they have given only 3 examples. You remember the 3 example? One is our C4H10. 3 example. One is C4H10. Next C5H12 and C6H14. These 3 example you remember. That's enough. Because from this test, from this syllabus only they'll be asking the question. So 3 examples to remember. So what is the example here in the option given? C4H10 is the option number C is our answer. Okay, the bond angle in HCH in methane. So what is the bond angle they are asking? What is the bond angle here? 109 degrees 28 minutes. 109 degrees 28 minutes. Option number C is our answer. Now let me drag upwards. Let's see the 8th question. The number of sigma and pi bonds in ethine. Okay, ethine means triple bond. So this one. Now you tell me how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds are there. If you observe here, this is one sigma. At the center, what is that? This one, this is 2 sigma, this is 3 sigma bonds. And these are called as our lateral bond, pi bonds. So 3 sigma and 2 pi bonds, 3 sigma and 2 pi bonds, 3 sigma and 2 pi bonds. Option number D is our answer. The functional group present in the butanone, on means ketone. So what is the functional group present here? Option number D. The IUPAC name for the first member of homologous series of ketone. So what is the chemical formula for general molecular formula for ketone? RCO R dash. Now here R and R dash can be alkyl group, means alkyl means hydrocarbons. Here also will hydrocarbon compound will come. Here also hydrocarbon compound will come. So in a ketone, minimum 3 carbon should be present. So 3 carbon means what? Methane, ethane, prop. So simplest carbon we can say that propanone. Option number A, propanone, because minimum 3 carbon should be present in the ketone functional group. Understood? So propanone. So that page is over. Let's see the next one. Let me zoom it. Okay. The IUPAC name of CH3CHO. CHO means what? Our aldehyde group. Aldehyde means we should take the Al here. At the last, we have to keep it as Al. Okay. Now, two are there. 2 carbons are there. So one means meth, two means eth. So at the last, you have to add Al. So ethanol. Ethanol. Where is that? Option number A. Acetic acid is what? Just now, a few minutes back, we have seen the acetic acid is a weak acid. Weak acid. Option number A. Alcohol can be prepared by the hydration of. Hydration of what? In the concept we'll be discussing when the class starts. We already know that I already told that Zoom class starts from the 19th of the October. Who are very much interested, they can join our Zoom class. Understood? So only 2 days, I think. Only a few days are left. Make it fast. Those who are very much important, just add to our WhatsApp group, which is given in the below description. Okay. Already many members are there in this group, and every day I'm what is that, conducting one mock test. Not only physics and chemistry, in the Zoom class, maths also will be present. So it starts from, as I told to the in the previous videos also, our class starts from at the nearly at the 1 o'clock and ends at 5 o'clock every day, every day. Okay, so all the chapters will, all the what is that, subject will be covered. Maths 1, paper 1, paper 2, physics, chemistry. Okay, if biology is there, biology also. Okay, all these subjects will be covered. Okay, so what is that answer? Alcohol is produced from alkenes. Alkenes. Next, soap are what? Soap are sodium or potassium salts of long chain higher fatty acids. Means what is the chemical formula for soap? RCOONA. RCONA, or we can say it as RCOOK. So sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids here are called as our higher fatty acids. R can be what? R can be palmitic acid, R can be stearic acid, R can be oleic acid, can be anything. So sodium and potassium is also higher fatty acid. Option number B. 15th question. The byproduct of soap, along with the soap, what is the other thing we'll get? We'll get CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So this is called as our glycerol. Glycerol. So what is that answer? Where is that? Glycerol. Give the IUPAC name of HCOOH. So here only one carbon is there, means what? Meth. Okay. OH. OOH means what? It is our oic acid. So we can say it as methanoic acid. Option number B. Okay. Understood. Let's see the next question. 17th question. What is that given there? The KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Okay. KMnO4 is in dash color. KMnO4 is in dash color. We already know that it's a, in the lower class you'll be learning this one. KMnO4 is a purple in color. Which of the following compound is not an hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means what? Hydrogen and carbon should be present in it. If you observe the option, Okay, in this hydrocarbon is there, here also hydrocarbon is here, OH is added, so we can say that C. So what about C is R, sir? R is called as our alkyl group. Alkyl is nothing but our hydrocarbon group. Okay, now 19th question, which process is involved in dirt cleaning? Where, in which, by using the soap only we'll be removing the dirt from our clothes. So this is called as our saponification. Main constituent of biogas. Biogas main product is our methane. Option number D. C15H31 COH is commonly called as. So C15 is called as our palmitic acid. Palmitic acid. So listen, C15H31 is called as our palmitic acid. C17H35 is called as our stearic acid. C17H33 is called as our oleic acid. So C15H31 they have us, that is our palmitic acid. Where is it? Option number D. Okay, let's see the over, that page is over. Okay, let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. How many unpaired electrons on the carbon possess in the ground state? So what is the atomic number of carbon? 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now this 2p2 can be written as what? 2px2, 2pyz. We can say what? Unpaired electron they have said. Okay, 1 minute. This 2px2 can be written as what? 2px1, 2py1. So how many unpaired electrons are there? 2 unpaired electrons are there. So we can say it as what? Option number A. Okay, let's see the next one. The bond angle in C2H2. C2H2 means our triple bond. C2H2. Now if you observe here, its bond angle will be 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Option number C. Sorry. The structure. Name the structure for CH3, CHC, CH2. Now if you observe here, we had to write the numbering from right to left to left to right. If you observe here on the right side, unsaturated carbon compounds are just from the right side, will be giving the numbering. Okay, now follow the steps. First step is what? We have to see any substituents are there or not there. So what you'll do, next step is what? After substituent not there, we have to see whether the structure contains any cyclic compound or not. That is also not there. So next we have to write the word root. How many carbons are there? 1 2 sorry 1 minute. 1 2 3 4. So methane, ethane, propane, butane. So it should be starting with bute hyphen. Next we have to see any unsaturated carbon compounds present only as there on the first carbon and second carbon. So one we will write 1 comma 2. Double bond or triple bond? Since it is double bond, you will write En. If it is a triple bond, you will write Yn. Since it is a double bond, we will write En. Next we have to see any functional group is there or not. Even if no functional group is there, we will simply write as E. So bute 1 comma 2 ene, diene. So same type, so diene. Bute 1 comma 2 diene. Let's see the 25th question. Which of the following organic compounds undergo substitution reaction? Usually alkanes. Actually it will not go undergo any reaction, but certain condition alkane also undergo substitution reaction. That is the reason, since alkanes are non-reactive in nature, alkanes are called as our paraffins. But here alkanes will undergo substitution reaction. Alkanes. Option number A. In which one of the following is a unsaturated carbon compound? Unsaturated means what? It can be a double bond or triple bond. If it is double bond, alkene. If it is alkene, what is the chemical formula? Cn. 1 minute. Let me repeat again. CnH2n. It can be like this, or alkyne also comes on a triple bond. CnH2n minus 2. Now observe here. CnH2n. Anything in the CnH2n? So we can write, I think B is our answer. Why? Because CnH2n minus 2 alkyne. Cn 2 is it. 2n minus 2. 2 to the 4 minus 2 2. So it is triple bond. So it is unsaturated carbon compound. Option number B is our answer. The general formula for ketone. Now, a few minutes back I told RCO R dash. RCO R dash. Option number A. The IUPAC name of OH, CH2, 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 COOH they have given. Now, first thing, there is a priority series in COH is a functional group and OH is also a functional group. Okay, It is carboxylic acid functional group, it is alcohol functional group. In these two, which will be giving as preference more, if you observe priority series, first we have to give preference for the carboxylic acid, then sometime, after that we should give the priority for the alcohol functional group. So here, since this will act as a main functional group, this will act as a second grade functional group. Second grade functional group means, so simply it will act as a substituents. Understood? So now, what you will do, you have to give numbering. From where? From here. We have to give more preference for the functional group, main functional group. So we have given the numbering. So it start. What is the process? Step by step process to name the compound. First, we have to see any substituents are there or not. Yes, as I said, this OH will act as a substituent now. So OH means what? Hydroxy. Hydro. So on which carbon? Fourth carbon. So on fourth carbon. So what you will write? 4 hydroxy. 4 hydroxy hyphen. Then we have to see if it is a cyclic compound or not there. Then we have to write the word root: methane, ethane, propane, butane. So 4 carbon is butane, but hyphen. Any double bond is there? Not there. So we'll write as AN. What any function group is there? Yes. Carboxylic acid function group is there. So we'll write oic acid. So 4 hydroxy, 1 butanoic acid. Option number D. Next, CH3CHC, 2 name of the compound they have given. So substituents are so unsaturated carbon compounds are present on right side. From right side, we'll be giving the numbering. So 4 carbons are there. 4 means for but, and hyphen. So unsaturated carbon compound is there on which carbon? 1 comma 2. So one option will start with that. Option number C. I wanted to prove completely. 30th question. A few drops of ethanoic acid were added to solid sodium carbonate. The possible sodium carbonates. See that carbonate always I told in some other test papers in the sets. Carbonate means what is the gas? You will get carbon dioxide. Okay. The possible result of the reaction is that carbon dioxide means it is called as our brisk effervescence. Option number C. Option number C is our answer. Which of the following molecular formula belongs to alkyne? Alkyne. What is the formula? CnH2n minus 2. Alkyne. Triple bond. So observe that. Which is that answer? Now I think this C will become the answer because n value is 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2, 4. C3H4. Option number C is our answer. So that page is over. Let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. The correct IUPAC name of the compound with the molecular formula. Okay, see that. So CH3 thrice CCH3. So CCH3. They have given thrice CH3, CH3, and CH3. And they're asking what is the name of the compound. So what is the name of the compound? Can anyone tell me? So I'll write from here 1, 2. Okay. So what we can write? What is the name of the compound? Can anyone say it? I have already given a clue there. No one will say. I should say. Okay. I already given the numbering. You can say it. On the second carbon it is there. So what we can say? So 2 and this is our 3. So total 3. Numbering should be given first 1, 2 and 3. On second carbon substituents are there. Now this will act as substituent. What are on which carbon? Second carbon. 2 substituents are there. So what you will write? 2 comma 2. Same type of substituent. So di. What is the name of substituent? Methane. So methyl. 2 comma 2 dimethyl. So what will be our answer? Option number A. 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. Which of the following can be used for the denaturation of ethyl alcohol? Denaturation means what? Impurity. So which can be used as impurity? It can be our methyl alcohol, it can be pyridine, or it can be copper sulfate. So all the three will act as a impurity. Option number D. Soap molecule has. Soap molecule will have. If you observe the soap molecule, it will be something like this. So this is called as the head portion. This is called as our tail portion. Tail. Head is called as our hydrophilic. Sorry, head portion is called as our hydrophilic, and tail portion is called as our hydrophobic. Okay, so hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Let's see the next question. In preparation of soap, that is used as a solvent. What you will use as a solvent? Alcohol will act as a solvent. Very easy question. The electronic configuration carbon, the excited state. So a few minutes back only we have seen carbon atomic number is 6. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, nothing but 2px1, 2py1. There we have seen that unpaired electrons are 2. This is called as our ground state. So in the excited state from second shell, whatever the one s-orbital 2 electrons are there, that will enter into the pz. So what will be our electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So total 4. What is your answer? I think option number B is our answer. 37th question. Which of the four test tubes containing the following chemical shows the brisk effervescence? Brisk effervescence means carbon dioxide, means carbon compound should be carbon dioxide carbon should be present in that when diluted acetic acid. If you observe here, KOH does not contain any carbon in it. NaHCO3, yes, carbon is there. From this we will get carbon dioxide gas, brisk effervescence. K2CO3, in there also the CO3 is there, so means CO2 gas will be formed. So we can say that what in this there's nothing is there, carbon is not there. So 1 and 4 is wrong. So 2 and 3, which option? Option number B is our answer. The compound of hydrocarbon is generally accompanied by the evolution of when you burn, not compound, combustion. When you do combustion, you will get heat and light. Okay, since it is a hydrocarbon acid along with that water, so we can say what both heat and light. Let's see the next question. 2 ml of ethanoic acid was taken in each of the three test tubes A, B, and C, which contain 2 ml, 4 ml, 8 ml. Water is added to them. Respectively, the clear solution can be ethanoic acid is added to ABC test tube, and it is we are adding the water. All the three test tube will have clear solution. So all the test tubes. Option number D. Option number not option. Next page. Next page. 40th question. If 2 ml of acetic acid is added slowly into 5 ml of water, we will notice what we can observe. So acetic acid is a weak acid. We are adding into water, so we will get a clear solution and cleared, and it will be completely distributed. Acetic acid will be completely distributed in the water, so we can say that formation of clear and homogeneous solution. Okay. Let's see the next question. 41st question. Dehydration. Dehydration means what? Removal of water molecule. Okay. Of ethanol by ethylene is carried out by heating. Heating at what? Dehydration reaction is nothing but our concentrated sulfuric acid S2SO4 at what temperature they have was at 170 degrees Celsius, or if we convert into Kelvin it will become our 443 Kelvin. So option number C. Ester is also called as what? Ethyl acetate. It will have a sweet smell, pleasant fruit smell. Option number D. 43rd question. Oh my, it's a bigger one. Okay, let's see the question. A student takes 2 ml of ethanoic acid in a test tube and add a pinch of NaHCO3. CO3 means what? CO2 gas will be formed. Okay. He reports the following. Immediately a colorless and odorless gas which involves a brisk effervescence. Few minutes back I told brisk effervescence means what? Carbon dioxide gas. If the carbon dioxide can turn lime water into milky, that is also correct. Third one, what they have given, gas burns with explosion, that is wrong. Carbon dioxide used in the fire extinguisher, it will not do any explosion. Okay, gas extinguishes the burning splinter, that is also correct. So what we can say that 1, 2 and 4, option 1, 2 and 4. What is that? Option number A, not B. Option number A. Let's see the 44th question. CH3CH2OH react with the KMnO4 and heat to form first the compound A, which further oxidizes to form compound B. The name of the compound B is, okay. What is that? Tell me. CH means ethyl alcohol. First, when we heat at KMnO4, when you heat it, what we can observe? And hydrogen will be removed. CH3, CHO will be formed. Again, here oxygen will be added. This is our addition reaction. Okay. So CH3 COOH at the last will get. This is our B. This is our A. They are asking what is the name of the compound B. CH3COOH. What will be the answer? COOH means what? Oic acid. Okay. Oic acid means what will be the answer? Ethanol, wrong. Ethanol, wrong. Formaldehyde, wrong. Formaldehyde means it should contain only one carbon. We have got two carbons here. That is our acetic acid. Option number D is our answer. Butene. Okay, reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. Okay, to form but1-ene. This is the reaction of what? This is called as our what is that? Hydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation reaction means what? Our addition reaction. Here hydrogen is being added. For converting unsaturated carbon to saturated carbon compound, we'll do addition reaction. Here we'll be adding what? We'll be removing the bond, double bond and triple bond, we'll be adding hydrogen to it. So that is our addition reaction, option number B. Okay, while heating ethanol, acetic acid with few drops of concentrated H2SO4 in water in a tub, Raju observed a sweet smell. That is our what? Okay, ethanol and acetic acid means we'll get ester, ethyl ester. So our option number A. The final product of chlorination of the methane in the presence of sunlight. And the last, what you'll get? CCl4 you'll get the last step. That is called as carbon tetrachloride, option number C. So 47 questions over, our last few bits. Okay. For set A, suffix used for naming the aldehyde. For aldehyde, first two letters will be taken, that is our al, all. What is our answer? Option number B. Which one of the following hydrocarbon can show isomerism? I told three example. I told what is that? C4H10, C5H12, right? C6H14. Any option is there here? C4H10 is there, so option number D is our answer. First organic compound to be prepared in the laboratory, that is our urea. Who prepared this one? Wooler. Wooler. Okay. Who said that we cannot prepare any organic compound in the laboratory? They'll just comment me his name in the comment. What was the name of the person? He told that organic compound cannot be prepared in the laboratory, but Wooler has proved it. Whatever he told was wrong. Right. Now urea is obtained from which chemical compound? Ammonium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide. Can anyone tell me what is the chemical formula for urea? That also you just comment me. What is the name of the person who said that we cannot form any any organic compound in the laboratory? And you also tell me what is the formula for urea. I will just give a clue. It starts with NH4. And remaining portion you tell me. Soap do not create water pollution because what? It is 100% biodegradable. Biodegradable means what? It can be dissociates. It can be dissociates. Okay. Option number C. So with this we have covered our first 51 bits. As I said, in this also we'll be covering more than 200 plus bits carbon and its compound. Okay. With this we'll be concluding our first set 1. This is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.